Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fit a new switchboard to the Tigertronics Signalink. Now currently my Signalink is set up for the summer camp FT767DX. However, I want to switch it now to the ICom 718, so this is what we're going to do in this video. So first we will take the front panel off. Now I'm using my toolkit that I take to work every day, ironically to fix my glasses. And you'll have to bear with me, this is the first time I've actually used the GoPro. Normally I'd record it on my mobile phone, but given the fact I then got to mess around and flip the image so it watches correctly on YouTube, we're going to go for this way. Now, so then it comes out very simply like that. So there you have it. I'm actually going to move the GoPro a bit. So basically that is everything. So what we're actually going to remove is that is the unit for the, very carefully doing it because you don't want to damage the pins. I may want to put that back in at some point. And now we will simply fit the new unit. These are all keyed. You can see the key mark there. Hang on. Sorry, this is new for me. So we see the key mark just there. There is the key mark on the board. So very simple to fit. And then just pressure. Make sure it's, there you go, nice and solid. You heard the click. So then it's just a case of simply putting it back in the housing. I have to admit, this is a very beautifully built unit, and I've got to remember which slots. I don't do bloopers, you get what you see is what you get. So there we go. Now we can just simply put these back in. Cross-threaded. There, much better. Went in that time. So, top corner to bottom corner, opposite bottom. And yes, it probably does work a lot easier if you start them first, because you do need some pressure. Yes, you do actually get an Allen key. Now Allen keys are wonderful things. They also get lost very easily. I do actually know where they are for this, but it's more of a case of I prefer using the screwdriver set. To be honest, I am planning to keep the 718 as my HF as my HF setup for digital modes. At some point I will have to get another one, either for the ICom 9700, because that is one of the rigs I'm looking at, or for the Yaesu FT991A. More likely it will be for the ICom unit, because once I have the chance, I am going back into satellites. And there you have it. That's changed the actual pins, the pinout board, and that is now all set. Everything else is upstairs connected to the various radios. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, mistakes and all. And clear skies and happy hunting, DXYs.